Y is just that expression. So y equals x to the fifth plus 10x quantity to the 1/2. So we look at it and we ask ourselves, how do we take the derivative of something raised to the 1/2 power? Well, it's the power rule. It's 1/2 times that expression raised to the negative 1/2. We subtract 1 from the 1/2 times the derivative of that expression. So dy dx, without a lot of fanfare, equals 1/2 times x to the fifth plus 10x to the negative 1/2 times (5x to the fourth plus 10). Like that. We multiply by the derivative of what's inside the parentheses, and that's the derivative of what's inside the parentheses. And yes, probably I should write this in a little bit nicer form, factoring out the 5, and also, since it was given in terms of radical, maybe if I can write my final answer in terms of radical. So let me try to clean this up a little more than I did the previous example. Dy dx equals, let's see, 5 times x to the fourth plus 2 over 2. The 1/2 out in front, we could express that as having a factor of 2 in the denominator. So 2 times, now if I take the negative exponent, negative 1/2, and shove that expression down to the denominator, I'll have the positive 1/2. So it's going to be the square root of x to the fifth plus 10x. Possibly, I guess you could factor an x out of that little expression there. There's really not another x to any power in the expression as a whole, so I don't know that I see the real virtue of doing that, but that's something that you could do if you wanted to.